Hi, good day everyone. I'm just going to show you how to program the Redarc TVMS Rogue. It was a bit tricky. I had to phone Redarc and they ran me through a few tips and tricks. They were very helpful. Don't hesitate to call Redarc if you have a question. I installed the TVMS Rogue and a Redarc Red Vision 1280 TVMS system in my self-built caravan. But I'm just going to talk about the TVMS Rogue. Now you can see it's got it's got 1 to 8 inputs, and I would like to program those inputs so that it comes out of C and D. Now these gonna run all my lights, and I have the Sphere remote switches, so I wired the Sphere module down there at the bottom into the system. Now the Redarc bloke said to me, well, I'm the first person that wants to do this. He's never heard of anybody else, so hopefully this is the first time and this could help you as well in your build. So what we're going to do, we're going to start off by downloading the Red Vision and the Red Vision configuration on the top right hand corner, as you can see, and connect it to Bluetooth. There's a lot of videos about how to connect your Red Vision system to your mobile phone. So we're going to start with the Red Vision configuration app. Now in here I already paired my device with the Bluetooth, and you can see I have 5 devices in there. I've got the Red Vision TVMS 1280, I've got the Rogue TVMS, I have the Redarc battery management system, and I have the RS 3000 watt PSI inverter. Now right, let's start off with the programming. I click on my 5 devices. I name it Scans Van, and as you can see, it's got a few screens where you can go in. Now I'm going to start off, so I'm going to program the Rogue. So I click on wiring configuration. In the wiring configuration, I'm going to select the TVMS Rogue. Click on TVMS Rogue. Now in here you can see you have switch input, sensor input, output. So we're going to start by programming the input. So we're going to select on switch input. Now in here you will see all 8 inputs. It's there. Now we're going to select E1 because I want, when I turn on the switch on the Red Vision screen, it will turn on my kitchen roof light, and I would like it to turn on just with the Sphere on off switch as well. So now I'm going to click on switch E1, and in there I'm going to label the binary. It's kitchen roof input, I named it. And the icon, you just click on the icon and it's going to give you all these icons, and you select your icon. So I select the globe, and then your overlay, put 1, that's just to put it in the bulb and you know it's switch 1 on your Sphere system. Now when you go in for the first time, it's going to show you it's on disabled. Now what I want to do, I want to put at my E1 signal input, I want to put power in from my Sphere system. So I'm going to select 12 volt signal in. But if you only have a toggle switch, you can just click toggle switch, and if you've got power at your toggle switch and then you're going to send power down your E1, you also select 12 volt signal. Otherwise, if you're just going to use a toggle switch, you can just connect the gray wire E1 and the blue wire E1 to the toggle switch, and you can select toggle switch and you program the toggle switch, but I'll make another video of that as well. So then you just, after you don't select your settings, you say save, and then it takes you back to the screen, and then just go back, and now we're going to program the outputs. So in here you select output C1, same thing, you name it, kitchen roof output 1. It's going to be on disabled as well, but you select user control. You can use enable light dimming mode, and make sure you select master switch from display. The enable light dimming mode is only when you have dimmable LED lights. You can switch it on, you know, if you want, and then you click save. Then we go back all the way out, Now we want to do the control configuration. Then you click control configuration. In there, we're going to click on kitchen input switch 1 E1. Very, very important. Then you're going to see there it's 1224 volt signal, but very important, click on the kitchen roof input. And then it's going to take you out, but then go back in there. And then you click toggle, and then save, and then we go cancel. Or not cancel, just save, and then we go back. Once we've done that, you go into the TVM display. Now we want to program the soft key on the Red Vision display. So you click on soft vision, you click on that, you go into, so now you want to add, because it's going to be like this, empty. It's going to show empty if there's nothing programmed, but I already programmed mine. So then you just click on kitchen roof output, you choose your output, just scroll up because you can see that's a 1280 till you get to the TVMS Rogue. You can see there's a green tick behind it, so I selected that one, and you save it. Then we're going to go into back again, and then you select program, and then it's going to program. You're going to see what it's going to do. It's going to click connect, and then you're going to show you how, then it's going to run through the whole program of the switches. It's trying to connect, so it didn't connect, so I'm just going to click connect again. So if this happens, it happened to me once before, just go refresh your screen. It's not a big deal. Just go in there and you click program again, and you click connect, and there it starts programming. And this takes roughly about a minute or so to program. It's going to run through all the starting and writing processes, and yeah, I must admit I struggled a bit, you know. It wasn't the easiest system, I must admit, but eventually, you know, I wanted to get it to work, and I managed to get it to work, you know. It was just, I was sitting and watching telly, and I just hit this brainwave, and I go, oh, yep, let me try this, and yep, and I came back about 8 o'clock at night in my caravan, light on, and programmed it, and it worked, so I was really happy. So it's still doing the programming. Still programming. As I said, it takes about a minute or so. Okay, then you're going to get this screen. It says all done, so you click continue, and then just close this app and go into the Red Vision app. Now in here you can see the calibration going on in there, and just give it a 30 seconds. It's not going to do it now on mine because mine is already programmed. It's just going to bring up a screen that it says it's busy configuring your Red Vision screen now, and it's going to take a while. You know, it takes usually about 30-40 seconds before it goes into that mode. I don't know why, but yeah, that's what it is. And yeah, then it's configuration. So let me go try my turn on my light with my remote switch to see if it works or not. So let's do that. There's the camera, and there I'm pressing the button 1 that I just programmed, and voila. And or if when I sit outside and I want to turn on the remotely. I just go back into the Red Vision app and it's connecting. I'm just waiting for it. You see it went into configuration, then it shows all these ones locked. So there you go, it's done. So then I just click on number 1 and it turns on my light. There you can see, it's on. So I hope this helps. You know, sorry about my accent, and yeah, I just tried my best to help. Hopefully this is helpful. So thank you very much.